Uh, Hello everyone, this is our video for final project. We are building a network for our Narxoz University so that students, teachers and staff can exchange data securely and conveniently. So we want to build properly a network that helps university operate quickly and securely so students can learn and staff can work without interruptions. So let's start our video. And now I want to introduce our team roles, our teams. So my name is Sanjar. I'm system manager at this project. I'm responsible for understanding how the system works, oversees the projects, like explain goals, design and analysis. So here my group mate, Mahbal, she is a network engineer. She builds and configures the network, implements LANs, routing, DHCP, and etc. So here our learning objectives. So we design and implement a university network, and we ensure connectivity for all users and devices. Of course, we include the students, faculty, and servers. And here we optimize equipment usage and reduce maintenance costs and illustrate the network's functionality using packet tracers. Here our business and technical goals. First goal was implement scalable IP addressing with subnetting. And next goal was to separate network traffic with LANs for students, one network traffic, for admin another network traffic, and etc. So, and we want to provide Wi-Fi and wired connectivity for labs and offices, ensure network security and redundancy. And here we reduce network downtime and maintenance cost. And last goal was support universities' digital activities efficiently. Here our little network analysis. So we have 1,500 students. So for one student, one device. So that means we have 1,500 devices. So and the next is the staff department. We have 120 faculty, one device per faculty. So it equals to 120 devices. And at our Narxoz infrastructure network, we have 15 servers. So at the total we have 1,715 devices. And here we want to show little numbers for the cost of ownership. We have 4 columns: the equipment type, quantity, unit cost, and total cost. And we have 7 rows. Here we have in the Narxoz University desktop computers, laptops, servers, network printers, switches, and routers. So here we have unit cost and total cost. So at the total we have 44,100,000 tenge. So that how much this infrastructure is costs. And of course we did a lot of research. We read a lot of articles, and of course we watched a video to understand how the network infrastructure works, how to build properly network design for university. So we have 2 main sites where we read the articles here, as you can see. And of course as a reference we take our course, Cisco Network Academic Introduction to Networks. And here packet tracer format. Mahbal will continue this slide. So at the end we will see me again. So see you again.
Hello, my name is Mahbal and I'm a network engineer. I design, build and configure the network. First, I configure access port on the switch. These ports connect and devices to LAN 10. LAN separate departments, reduce broadcast traffic and import security. It's important to assign the correct LAN to each department to prevent data leaks. Next, I configure a trunk port using .1Q encapsulation. Trunks carry traffic from multiple LANs between switches. This is essential for inter-LAN routing and the network scalability. Now I configure the WAN serial connection between the main and the branch routers. I assign IP addresses and activate the interface with no shutdown. With serial links is the backbone of their campus communication. To enable communication between LANs, I configure a router on a stick. Each sub-interface spends a LAN and acts as a gateway. This setup reduces hardware costs while allowing full their LAN routing. The branch campus has separate plans to staff and the labs, improving traffic management. DHCP automatically assign IPs to the device, reducing errors and saving time. The device receives an IP address successfully. Ping confirms the network is fully operational. Now I configure RIP version 2 for dynamic routing. I add the network to the adverse them to other routers. Finally, I save the configuration with no chat configuration with do we are. So it remains after a bot. I also test connectivity to make sure routers are correctly exchanged.
Great job. So at the end of our video, we want to summarize all of this and here are our conclusions. This project shows how proper network design improves reliability, security, and scalability. So it efficiently supports university digital activities. This concludes our demonstrations. All LANs, routing, and DHCP services are operational and ensuring smooth network performances for our Narxoz University. So thank you for your attention. At the end of our video, we want to say have a great holidays, have a great Christmas. So goodbye.